Assalamu alaikum students. Today I'm going to explain you Nina and the Baby Sparrows textbook exercise and CW notes. So let's begin with textbook exercise. Talk time. How do baby sparrows eat? Babies. So here you have to write how baby sparrows eat. Baby sparrow कैसे खाते हैं? Baby sparrow eat every half an hour and they eat very little. Question 2. What new things would you like to wear for a wedding? You can say I would like to wear. So here you have to write what new things would you wear for wedding. आप लोग शादी के लिए कौन सी नई चीजें पहनोगे आपको यहाँ लिखना है. I would like to wear a long white frock. Picture story. Number the jumbled word picture story correctly. Then write the story in proper order. So here you can see this picture. So according to the picture, we have to arrange it and put numbers over here. आप लोगों को यहाँ पर ये जो पिक्चर्स दिख रहे हैं उसको हमें सही से अरेंज करना है और वहाँ पे हमें नंबर्स लिखना है और इसके बाद हमें इसकी स्टोरी बनाकर लिखनी है. So number 1 is Nina is sad. Mother asks why. Nina does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone. Mother says we will leave the window open. Nina is happy again. Write the story here. So now we have to write the story according to the pictures. Nina is sad when her mother asks her about the color of the dress she would like to wear. Number 2, mother asks Nina about why she was sad. Number 3, Nina is worried, does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone at home. Number 4, mother comes up with a bright idea and tells Nina that she will leave the window open before going to the wedding, so as Mama and Papa sparrows can feed their baby sparrows. Team time. Would you like to have birds visiting you every day? Try making a bird bath and feed corner for birds. You can place the bowl of water in quiet corner of the school playground. Leave breadcrumbs, grains, etc. for your feeders friends. So here, would you like to have birds visiting you every day? क्या आप लोगों को पसंद है कि birds आपको आकर रोज visit करें? Try making bird bath and feeding corner for them. So आपको bird bath मतलब आपको एक बाउल लेना है, इसमें पानी भरना है और कॉर्नर पे रख देना है. You can place a ball of water in a quiet corner of the school playground. आप लोग स्कूल के प्लेग्राउंड में भी ये रख सकते हो. Leave breadcrumbs, grains, etc. for your feeder friends. आप लोग bread, grains कुछ भी वहाँ पर रख सकते हो. Let's draw and color the bird. So here you can see this box. Here you have to draw a bird and color it. आपको ये बॉक्स के अंदर बर्ड को ड्रॉ करना है और उसमें कलर करना है. Activity. Let's make a bird. Things you need. So it's activity. So things which you required are old greeting card, dal, black bindi, beads for eyes, scissors, gum, old newspaper, old shoe, lace. So यहाँ पर आप ये चीजें देख सकते हो. तो ये आपको रिक्वायर्ड है ये एक्टिविटीज करने के लिए. Steps. Make an outline of the bird on a greeting card and cut it out. So here you can see this greeting card. Here the bird is drawn and you have to cut it. Cut a small square from an old newspaper and fold it to make a fan. Keep the fan close. So here you can take a newspaper and you have to cut small square from it. Pass the folded fan throughout the cut on the bird's back and now open the fold of the fan. So the square you have cut, you have to place it in back of the bird. Make the eye by sticking a bindi. So here you have to stick the bindi. Paste a string or old shoelace to hang the bird. So you have to hang the bird like this with the help of shoelace or a string. So आपको एक ओल्ड ग्रीटिंग कार्ड लेना है, उसके अंदर ऐसे बर्ड ड्रॉ करनी है, उसे कट करना है, उसके बाद एक न्यूज़पेपर लेना है और उसको स्क्वायर में कट करना है. उस स्क्वायर को आपको बर्ड के पीछे चिपका देना है. उसके बाद आपको एक बिंदी लेनी है और उसको यहाँ उस स्टिक करना है उसकी आई के लिए. उसके बाद आपको उसको एक डोरी से या शू की लेस से आपको उसको ऐसे लटकाना है. That activity is optional activity. You can do it at home. Word building. Write down suitable words describing each picture. Pick up the words from the list given below. So here you can see this box. In this the words are written. So according to this word we have to arrange here in the blanks with the help of picture. आपको ये बॉक्स दिख रहा है, उसमें जो वर्ड्स है वो हमें यहाँ पर लिखना है पिक्चर्स की हेल्प से. So here you can see this fat woman, a fat woman. Here you can see the rose. Which color it is? Red, a red rose. Here you can see this boy, he is happy. So a happy boy. Here you can see peacock, a beautiful peacock. Here you can see blackboard, so a blackboard. Here you can see this man tall, so a tall man. Say aloud. Spoil, sport, sparrow, speak, school, scot, skirt, skip, scold, skin. Here we end our textbook exercise. Now let's begin with CW work. Words to learn. Market, bother, problem, dress, upset, remove, wedding, sparrows, lunch. Now let's begin with give meaning. Market, the place for buying things. Market, बाजार, जगह जहाँ पे हम चीजें खरीद सकते हैं. Bother, to worry. चिंता, तो मीनिंग है फिकर. Problem, difficulty. मुश्किल. Dress, clothes, कपड़े. Upset, unhappy, उदास होना. Remove, to get rid of, मतलब उससे आजाद होना. Wedding, a marriage ceremony, शादी. Lovely, very beautiful, बहुत खूबसूरत. Plum, चब्बी, गोल मटोल. Now let's see answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why was there great joy in Nina's house? नीना के हाउस में इतनी खुशी क्यों थी? And the answer is, there was great joy in Nina's house as Nina's aunt was getting married. Question 2. Why was Nina worried? नीना चिंता में क्यों थी? And the answer is, Nina was worried about the baby sparrows in the nest that would be left hungry if no one remained at home on the day of the wedding. Question 3. What did mother suggest? मम्मी ने क्या सलाह दी? And the answer is, the mother suggested that the window will be left open so that Mama and Papa sparrows can feed their baby sparrows in the nest. Question 4. What did Nina find when she came back from the wedding? So नीना शादी में से वापस आने के बाद उसने क्या देखा? Nina found 2 plump little sparrows flying all over the room. Now let's see opposite words. Joy, sorrow. Plum, thin. Students, if you have any doubt regarding this topic, you can write in comment box. Thank you.